Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the headset and mic are intact and the firmware is recent if applicable. This prevents connection quirks. First, attach the detachable boom mic until it clicks, because a loose connection muffles audio. Next, plug the headset into the PC using USB or the 3.5 jack depending on your model, and make sure any inline volume or mute switches are set to on. Once done, open your OS sound settings to continue the setup. Once you've selected HyperX Cloud 3 as the default input device in your OS, you'll balance gain so your voice is clear without clipping. You should speak at your usual volume while adjusting input level, because visual meters lie without realistic testing. Make use of software noise reduction or sidetone if available to hear yourself and reduce background noise, and toggle any virtual surround or EQ features only after confirming clean mic capture. Since you finish by performing a live test in a recorder and in the app you'll use, because both paths can behave differently. If levels look good but others report low volume, recheck the headset mute and inline controls and verify your app has microphone permission. These are common blockers. If you still have no sound, reseat the mic and cable, try a different port, and restart the PC. This simple reset often resolves driver or recognition issues and gets you back to clear voice capture.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.